guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog, and I just am getting the vlog started. I just finished editing today's video. I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. It's seriously so cute, but I want to share with you guys what I'm wearing because I am obsessed with this outfit. I might be an outfit repeater because it's so cute. So this is the current fit. It's pretty simple, but you guys, it is 95 degrees outside. It's toasty. So my top is from Shein. I love it because it has these super cute like bow sleeves, so I just feel like it looks so cute on. I have on my little white monogram necklace. This is from Cora's Den, and then my shorts are J. Crew chino shorts. I just think they're so cute. I love this purple color. I've been wearing purple non-stop lately. And then my shoes are just little gladiator sandals that I picked up in France. And I also just have on my everyday watch and my favorite rings. I repainted my fingernails, and you might call me crazy, but I picked the same color just because I loved it so much. And then I found my Lily Pulitzer scrunchie. I made this. It's over on my Etsy, so I'll have that link down below for you guys. But I feel like it just adds the perfect little splash of color to this outfit. But I need to do a few things with my video that just uploaded, so I'm going to do that really quick. Alright, you guys, I just finished doing my computer work. I had to add the tags, which are kind of like hashtags, to my YouTube video. So that is all up and ready to go. I'm so excited. I just uploaded my part 2 giveaway for back to school season. I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. I am just so excited to be able to get back to you guys, especially because I feel like this season I was always so like stressed out about it because school supplies can be so expensive and everything. So I just think that's going to be so much fun. But I'm currently waiting. John is on his way to pick me up. We are going out to dinner tonight. We're getting pizza. Oh my gosh, I love pizza, and we're going to like our favorite pizza place, which we haven't been to in a fat minute. We used to go all the time last summer, so if you guys watched last summer's vlogs and even our vlogs on Call You Later, you guys might recognize the place, but it's so cute. If it wasn't so hot outside, I would say let's sit on the patio because I love their patio so much. Which I'm curious, are you guys like a fan of sitting outside when you eat? Like, I love it, especially like when I went to France. It was like one of my favorite parts is like how much they eat outside, so I was like, oh, I just love it. But it's 95 degrees out and sunny, so probably we'll be sitting inside, but I'm totally okay with that. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm just excited to bring you guys along with me. I'm probably just gonna wear this outfit, but isn't it so cute? I feel like I'm just rambling. I probably should tell you guys I did have some of this energy drink. It's called C4. I recently tried one of their other flavors. I've tried the blue one. I don't know what it's called, but I just got this one, and it's called Cotton Candy. I really just picked it out because it's pink, but like, doesn't this just like match my aesthetic? But it's so good. It has 200 milligrams of caffeine, so I've been drinking it really slow, and I'm probably gonna drink the other half tomorrow. But I love having a pre-workout like that when I work out, but also if I have like a filming or editing day, just because it kind of gets me like energized. Because I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been hitting the midday slumps so hard where I get like tired at noon. This has been helping. I drink very little, but I've been loving it, so I think that's why I'm so energized right now. But I'm just excited to bring you guys along with me for the vlog.
Hi, what's up? I brought presents.
What did you bring?
Moving boxes from Home Depot.
What?
What?
Alright, you guys.
What's
so
up?
John's here. He
I'm here.
brought boxes.
I brought boxes.
So, a little announcement. We're so excited. We're moving out.
We're moving out.
And I'm going to be sharing like more about it in different videos come this week. So you definitely want to hit the subscribe button so you can get notified about it. But we're doing it.
We're doing it.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Are you excited?
It's going to be fun. We're going out to get dinner tonight because we're moving.
In celebration of the moving day.
Yeah. I can't believe it's already this weekend.
I know. It's time.
All
it's
my
here.
videos next week are so backdated. It's so funny.
Yeah. It's going to be good. You guys got some good content coming. So.
And I've been keeping it a secret, but like in all my recent videos, like all my stuff's like packed away. So I've been like filming in little spots where you can't tell that stuff's missing.
Do you think anyone's noticed yet?
I don't know. If you guys have noticed, let me know. I have told a few people. I'm not really good at keeping a secret.
So it's kind of been sprinkled and dropped in it here.
So some people know. I don't know if you guys know, but if you guys did or if you noticed,
Kudos to you.
Yeah, good job. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
But we're really excited.
It's time.
It's my first time ever moving. Like, I've always
Likewise.
lived here, so it's so crazy. But we want to do, I'm making John do it with me, a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions about moving out, or moving out with your boyfriend or girlfriend,
or just our apartment in general.
Yeah, our apartment, or just moving in general, because I feel like I've learned so much.
We've learned a lot.
And there's like so many, it's just so much to do. Like, I feel like a full-blown adult right now.
We are full-blown adults.
So if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. I'm also going to be asking over on Instagram, because once this video is out, the secret's out of the bag.
I know, the cat's out of the bag.
Cat's out of the bag. That's what I meant to say. See, thanks for finishing my sentence.
I'm on it.
But we are headed to pizza. I was talking earlier, I was telling them, I was like, this pizza place has the cutest patio.
It does.
Doesn't it?
It's very cute.
But then
it's a little hot outside.
I told them it was 95 degrees.
Yeah,
so
it's a little,
probably.
Which, speaking of, I should probably get on the wait list.
Yeah,
it's a good
they
idea.
Always have a really long wait.
Yeah.
Shout out to Yelp.
Shout out. It's not even Yelp anymore.
It's not Yelp
No, it's their own site now.
I'm impressed, but it is our favorite pizza place.
It is.
It's so good. So we're
Second favorite.
Second favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm excited. I can't believe I just like, this is the
You
first
spilled the
time
beans.
ever.
You spilled the tea.
I'm so excited. It really is this time. All right, so we're making a quick pit stop on the way to get pizza, because we are moving in 2 days.
2 days.
And we're gonna get pop and water and have that. So like with our family helping us, we'll have drinks for them.
Drinks, that way they're hydrated and caffeinated.
And we're gonna order pizza too, don't worry.
Yeah.
But we are gonna go pop into the grocery store.
Hi, John. What's up?
You want me to carry this one?
Yeah, I'll get it for now.
I feel like you need an award right now.
Thank you.